Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Take a ride in the 2011 GL-Class. This 7-passenger luxury SUV has a great deal of interior space without huge exterior dimensions. The third row seat is roomy enough for all adults and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, CD changer, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.